Hello everyone, this is Adam from Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Mahlkoenig X64 SD. It came into the shop because it wasn't activating. Um, uh, when we turned it on, you wouldn't even hear a noise. It didn't even seem to be struggling. Um, so we opened it up, took a look inside, and found that it was pretty jammed with coffee. Looked like there was a dark roast in there. Um, these machines are relatively new in the market. Um, they have 64 millimeter burrs. Have an interesting adjustment mechanism right here. Um, they, it seems like, at least from just uh, uh, this situation, that it might be prone to jamming, especially with dark roast. And also because it has a high RPM motor, you sort of trade RPM for torque for any given wattage. So it's better to hot start these machines instead of cold start, which essentially means turning on the motor before putting your beans in, so it has the ability to get up to speed before it encounters any resistance from the beans. Because it just has that, just because it has that less torque. Additionally, to prevent electrical damage back here, there is a little flap that has a little circuit breaker. This is just sort of an overcurrent protection here. It'll pop out when the motor gets jammed and the current spikes, and you can just press it back in to reset it. And it's just this flap right here. And as you can see, as you can hear, it might be a little quiet, but the motor's running. So I'm just going to demonstrate a hot start of this. So turning on the motor, I'm going to get up to speed, and then that was a little messy. This isn't calibrated or anything. I have it at a pretty coarse setting. Yeah, so the workflow is definitely something to consider for how you're going to do this. And there are some other attachments that will help prevent that sort of splattering. But yeah, that's about it. We have a working spinning motor. Alright, thank you for watching.